We are at the bank because of the income.
I think you know for them money.
I'm so tired. Only one class helps today.
Let me move this guys from my face.
This lighting is like
I need to put my phone screen here.
Yeah, sorry. Hi my love. So we're done from the bank and right now we're going to the school market. This is Zamfara Hostel.
It's not Zamfara.
I know, chill. Inside we have Bethany Hostel, one other hostel,
National Student Hostel.
and the National Students Hostel. Is it male or female?
Male and female.
Okay. Our madam said it's male or female. She thinks it's male and female. Anyways, I'm on the school market right now. I didn't carry my tripod, so if the footage is a bit shaky, I'm so sorry guys. Let's imagine that the video is not shaking, okay? I know people can hear me very well because cars are passing. So this is bakery. Don't forget to give this video a like, comment, tell me things you want to know about unilorin or video ideas you have. Anyways, this is the school market. Over there we have juice, I don't know, juice something, juice view. Okay, juice view. Then right beside it we have Pepsi. That's what we call Pepsi Village. Okay, so this is the school market. It feels so weird for me to be recording this, but a girl's gotta do what a girl's gotta do. So you can see unilorin student shopping mall. Can you see? So I'm going to show you guys where I normally do all my shopping. Like, I've been shopping for her since 100 level, and I promise you she has very good customer service. Her prices are reasonable and she's really good. So this is the side of the market I shop, and this place I'm going to is where it is. So this is where I shop for. See all the tabs I opened. That's because of projects now. Wow. Hey beautiful people, good morning. How you guys doing? So it's currently after 11 and I'm heading to class. My class is by 12. I'm early today, period. I look so good.
You want me to look at your camera, but I won't.
Galakpo is drinking it. Galakpo. Michael. Say hello. Say hi. Miriam, say hi.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
I'm making a vlog. I already showed her already. See the market man. He's selling my market. People come and buy jewelry. This one, one round. Bye. Hello. Yeah. Mommy Jessica. Huh? Hello.
Hi. So this one is
businessman. No. Say hi.
Hi. This one is how much? 500.
It's currently to 12. This is my favorite lip gloss. Finally guys, I can continue my project. Can you guys see the sun on my body? It's giving, it's giving. See the hair that is always sticking out. I don't understand. But anyway, doing what it's supposed to do. Meet my brother from another mother. Shut up at freshest. with the pinkest lips and meet success with the bad boys.
That's all.
Hi guys, yeah, are you hearing it? Serious students. Just become class. This is my ex-husband, you guys.
Ex-husband.
Don't argue.
They don't divorce.
We are divorced. My dad didn't divorce.
Daddy.
I want to be job.
Yes.
Why?
Because I'm hungry. I don't have anything to cook. I have to buy gas. I have to buy food.
You cannot do transfer.
I cannot do transfer.
I'm not doing nothing today. Adi Aja Malo. We're going to the park. This is my onidiri. Oh yeah? Let me record it.
Hi guys, I am Rodia. My brand name is Yago. So myself, everything says and fragrances, diffuser, humidifiers.
Oh yeah,
Oh yeah, she's into portraiting. Oh yeah, she's a fashion designer. This is Maria. She's newly wedded.
I am into tech.
to ask how much is attachment because I want to make my yard. I want to ask. Apart from that, fabric. So I'm going to drop my slippers with the person that's going to help me fix it. I'm going to collect it tomorrow. These are so expensive. I told you I just so slippers. Anyway, we're approaching park right now. So I'm going to show you guys the trade fair. Hello. Let me see. How much is that? How much is it about? 200, 300. This is 350 pepper. It's a lot. Like, why are things this expensive? Bring it. This way they arrange this thing to make sense.
Okay, now I'm going to this one.
Sister, is that black top bag?
I'm showing them and
bring that to me. Go,
Amida.
This is not TikTok.
YouTube content creator. My friend. Step us to support, like, comment, subscribe. Tell a friend to subscribe. Yes, that's how we roll. Period. Bye.
loves. What? I look good regardless. So I'm having custard and biscuits. That's my lunch. I had my mini rice in the morning. I'm supposed to be preparing for class. So I have a class by 4 and this is 2:13. I've not vlogged in a long time. I've not even been in the mood that big. I've not been in the mood. And I've just been stressed because there's so much heat, like big. So when I'm done eating, I'm going to prepare for class and then go to school. You guys, my face is clearing. It's clearing. I look so good. Even with my hair like this, I want to actually comb it. I made twist, so I want to comb it out. Back. Tuesday.
Good. Don't want to feel you, don't want you, don't want to feel you.